Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best 3D printer for beginners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Dremel 3D printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D20 Idea Builder 3D printer is Dremel's most reliable low-cost 3D printer for hobbyists. The simple design of the printer along with Dremel support team will help you succeed at 3D printing even without prior experience. The printer comes fully assembled and includes a 0.5 kg spool of Dremel filament. The easy-to-follow quick start guide and detailed instructions will help you begin printing right out of the box. You will notice the attention to safety with the rigid fully enclosed design and third-party UL approval. If you are looking for the best 3D printer, then this is the in the market. At number 6 we have Sain Smart 3D printer. This Sain Smart's latest Creality 3D series printer is specifically designed for hobbyists, tinkerers and the curious. The Ender 3 boasts the same outstanding performance as the CR10, but is even more compact and affordable. The standard brass nozzle allows printing with most types of 1.75mm 3D filaments and of course the renowned Sain Smart flexible TPU filament. At number 4 we have FlashForge 3D printer. This sturdy metal frame is substantially more stable than the creator's original wood frame. Its warp-resistant 6.3mm aluminum build platform remains perfectly level under the stress of high heat. Its new heavy-duty Z-axis guide rod ensures steady and precise movement. It has new LED light that illuminates the printing area. E-printer. At number 3 we have FlashForge 3D printer. You can meet the new kid on the block. The user-friendly, home-friendly and wallet-friendly 3D printer from FlashForge is ready to play. It loaded comes with easy-to-use features and designed to be at home in kids' rooms and classrooms. The new FlashForge Finder is the first choice for 3D printing novices and educators. At number 2 we have Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. The Voxel is a unique, easy-to-use, beginner-friendly 3D printer that brings 3D printing to the masses with its simple menu system displayed on a 2.8 inches color IPS touchscreen. The assisted leveling system reduces calibration to a single tap on the touchscreen, and the print nozzle can be swapped out in seconds without the need for tools of any kind. It features 8 GB of internal memory, a USB port, a Wi-Fi radio with a hotspot and a built-in camera for monitoring print operations.